The primary factors that contribute to a motorcycle accident are the negligence of drivers around the motorcycle rider, the weather conditions that day, the way the roadway is designed or laid out, and just how heavy traffic is in general. Motorcycle accidents are worse than car or truck accidents because of the added layer of protection the motorcycle rider doesn't have. Whereas the car or truck driver would be protected by the vehicle itself, the motorcycle rider is exposed to the elements and has very little protection other than a helmet or leather chaps or whatever he might be wearing at the time. The types of injuries you see in motorcycle accidents differ from the types of injuries you see in car or truck accidents. Generally, where the car or truck occupant may impact the vehicle with their body, the motorcycle rider often impacts the ground or the road with his body. You'll see a lot of road rash, cutting, bruising, and scraping where the individual has impacted the terrain or asphalt or roadway. You'll also see worse brakes and things of that nature because you don't have the added protection of the airbags that are inside the vehicle. Injuries from motorcycle accidents can have a drastic effect on your life and the lives of your family. Broken bones, head trauma, permanent impairment, things of that nature can impact not only your ability to work and provide for your family, but your ability to enjoy your family. It is very common for insurance companies in any trial to blame the injured party for what happened. In a motorcycle accident, typically insurance companies will try to convince the jury that the driver assumed the risk of riding a motorcycle or somehow operated his motorcycle improperly, such as moving into the blind spot of a vehicle. Any party can be held liable in a motorcycle accident case if they took action that injured the motorcycle rider. So what you look for when assessing liability is, was there a party on the roadway who did something they were not supposed to do, and did that cause injury to the motorcycle driver? In Tennessee, there's two basic types of damages available to folks who are injured in motorcycle accidents. Tennessee allows for what's called economic damages, which are related to your medical expenses and the actual cost of treating the injuries you've incurred. Tennessee also allows for non-economic damages, which is what we would refer to as pain and suffering and the after effects of the injuries that you sustain. Our firm has a lot of experience with motorcycle accidents because we live in a beautiful area that's visited by tourists from all over the country. Given that we're right on the border of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, we get lots of motorcycle riders that come to enjoy the area, and unfortunately many of them are injured through no fault of their own. Our clients hire our firm to be their representation because they know that we're willing to form a personal relationship with them and fight with them every step of the way to get what they deserve. We're not here just to turn their case around and make a quick buck, or to settle the case as quickly as we can with the insurance company. Our current and past clients would say that we fought with them every step of the way to get them the best possible result, that we maintained constant communication with them and cared about their case, and that we were always available if they ever needed anything. Client communication is of the utmost importance, especially in personal injury cases. Our firm has a policy where if our client calls us, we call you back that same day, if at all possible. If not possible, you'll receive a call from someone else at the firm that can let you know when you expect to speak to the partner assigned to your case. As far as personal injury firms go, we're a smaller firm. The biggest advantage to that is that you're always working with a partner on your case. Your case is not assigned to an associate or junior attorney, and you always know exactly who to speak to if you need anything regarding your claim. What makes our law firm different from other firms is that we're not just trying to settle your case. If we can settle your claim for you and get you a great result, we will. But if we have to go to trial, we're more than happy to do that as well. When it comes to personal injury, we try more cases per year than anyone else in our area. Your case will not be handed off to another lawyer once you hire our firm. Our firm has 3 partners who all work together on your claim from start to finish. During your initial consultation for a motorcycle accident, you'll meet with one of our partners here at the firm. We'll explain the entire process for you from start to finish with what goes into litigating your claim, preparing your claim to present to the insurance company, and hopefully getting you a settlement that allows you to avoid going to trial. Also, if your case is one that we would expect to go to trial, we'll go over the trial process with you as well and give you an idea of what to expect there.